Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Lexus NX300. This one is white. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 235 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch multi-spoke wheels. Black leather interior. Sunroof. NX300 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, hard keys for the media display, different driving functions, touchpad for the infotainment center. This Lexus has 32,168 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Lexus NX300, visit us at feldmanimports.com.